Because I don't believe that I'm the only one suffering from cruise withdrawal due to the pandemic, I decided to make a short video so we could reminisce together. What do you remember? What do you miss? Comment below and let's enjoy together our cruise. My footage is only of Carnival cruises, fun ships. Let's get our luggage packed, paperwork signed, passports ready, and let's remember. Ready? Let's go.
To the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. Now kick it, and kick it, and kick it, and kick it. Now the next time you face us, make sure you've got some elbow room, because we're going to do something called Soldier Boy. And you'll need some elbow room for this one.
Like you, I've been on many cruises. I was platinum, moving quickly towards diamond. And then the pandemic hit. But I really enjoyed my perks, such as chocolate-covered strawberries delivered to the room and having my laundry washed and folded and returned to the room. I also like the gifts. Here's a bag. Here's a cups of various sorts that we get from year to year. There are blankets. Comment below the ones that you have that I didn't mention. Do you miss these things? I do.
Alright.
Don't you all just miss cruising? I know I do. As soon as this pandemic is over, I will meet you on board. It's a date. See you then. Subscribe and like. And add comments of things that you personally miss. Thank you. See you again real soon.